It's Rideshare Sean again. Right now, I'm going to the Chevron on State Road 64. It had the best deal I could find today. After it gives me back 20 cents per gallon, it's $3.38 per gallon. That's pretty good for right now. I mean, there were other places that was like $3.60, $3.70. But I didn't go with those. They weren't giving back as much money as this Chevron is either. So that's why I'm going there. And it's 2.7 miles away, which really isn't bad, considering, I've gone 30 miles, I go to a different county. I'm not going over that bridge though, I know that. So, I'm just gonna go get some gas today at Chevron. After I get some gas in this car, I'll go to Chipotle and get something to eat, and then probably go back to the house, take a little siesta. Siestas are awesome. And then after I take a siesta, I'll get up and probably take a couple trips. Today is Saturday, so it'll definitely be at least 2 trips, hopefully, as long as the requests that come through meet my criteria at that time. It'll probably be like over $20 or something. I need a request to come through that's over $20 or forget it. Yesterday, I took 2 calls and it was a Friday. So today is Saturday, so I'll take 2 calls. As soon as I get a request, I go through this sequence of going to pick up the customer. I turn my Uber light on, I put my mask on, I put the tunes on. Right now I've been listening to cover tunes, but I have another folder that's everything. And I forget to tell people sometimes. I remember I was driving this one lady and she's like, "This is an interesting playlist." Because I don't separate anything by genre. Literally, you could be listening to like a country song, and then the very next song could be rap or hip hop. I have no idea what the next song is going to be. So I just put everything in one single folder. Songs that I like, that have no curse words in them, very important. I mean, like, I really don't, I like songs that have curse words in them, but I don't want to offend anybody. These people get offended easily. So, then after I put the tunes on, I turned to 15, number 15. But the songs that I ripped from YouTube, and that's the thing with the songs, the volume on it, they could be very loud or it could be very low, and I'm always a mess with volume, but it's the complete song, number 1, and number 2, the biggest thing that I need is that they're free. So whatever song I want, I get for free, but I have to turn it up and turn it down. This gas station that I'm going to is on State Road 64. It's like right there as soon as I get off exit 220, it's like right there on my right hand side. So that's kind of cool. So when you go to pick up these customers, like, it's really hard, like, you have to feel them out. Sometimes, you're picking them up and they just got off of work and they really don't want to talk. And then, sometimes, like, people just don't care. They'll talk your head off. I like those people that talk my head off. We have a good conversation. We just talk back and forth. So any and all of you riders, I talk to them, and then you'll get something, you'll get something in the Uber app that says that your rider wanted more talking. Well, if they talk to me, then I talk back to them. If they don't talk to me, then I don't, unless I have a question. So, like, if I take a right here,